Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to download Notepad++ in your Windows 11. Okay guys, let's start. First of all, open your browser and just search Notepad++ and just hit enter. And after that, just hit your first link. You see there is a lot of available versions. Just download the latest version and then just hit download. Now you can see it's already downloaded. Just open this app, just hit OK, next, agree, then again next, then next. If you want, you can create a shortcut on desktop and then just hit install. It took a little bit time. You see now it's complete. If you want to run, you can just hit run and then just hit finish.